So here's how to enable ultra wide angle on Snapchat. As you can see, I don't have access to this feature until now. So what you can do, just go on Play Store or App Store and update this Snapchat to its latest version. Now, if it doesn't show up, what you can do, click on your profile icon in the top left corner. After that, go to setting by clicking on top right corner, scroll down and under feedback, support and feedback, click on bugs and suggestions. Now click on report a bug and here select camera. Now click on select topic and select camera features. Now here type my account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Now after that, just click on submit and Snapchat will fix this problem. Alternatively, what you can do, just go back on your camera page and click on explore on bottom and here type on the search bar ultra wide lens. Now here select any one of these lenses. This is not effective, but it will create an illusion like ultra wide lens. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.